PwC is very excited to be part of a very unique arrangement where we have a memorandum of understanding between a regulator, IMDA, Ocean Protocol and PwC to look at how to build trust in data sharing. Sharing of data is very beneficial to society as a whole. When we look at health as an example, the ability for a doctor to see records across multiple visits, across multiple institutions, means far more accurate care. The ability for research institutes to share information securely to get greater outcomes around cancer cures or other cures for chronic illnesses are critical. But in sharing of data, there's a big holdback. Companies are very reluctant to share information for fear of regulatory or legal risk. Ocean Protocol, in its solution, seeks to have a standard by which data does not necessarily travel. It actually stays resident with the owner. This means algorithms travel versus data traveling, which starts to build the basis for increased trust. PwC's mission statement is to build trust in society and help solve complex problems. In working with IMDA and Ocean Protocol, this is what we're trying to achieve. Solving the problems of building trust around sharing data, building the ability to increase societal outcomes, and at the end of the day, trust in data and trust in sharing.